How to turn on or off color correction on Tecno mobile phone. Go to settings. In settings, go to special function. Here in special function, go to accessibility. In accessibility and display section, you can see here the text and display. You can tap this. And now here you can see the color correction. And the color correction is off. To turn on this, you can tap this. And now below you can see here the different color available. So for example, I set into blue yellow. And to turn on, you can see the switch button on the right side of this use color correction. You can tap the switch button to turn on the color correction. And to turn off again the color correction, okay, go to again to color correction and select the color you want and turn off the switch button on the right side of this use color correction. Switch off the switch button to turn off.